Hello student, today we are going to start our chapter number 13, Nuclear Chemistry and Radioactivity. Nuclear chemistry, it is a branch of science which deals with composition of nucleus and nuclear transformation, that is reactions concerned with nuclear transformation is known as nuclear chemistry. Nuclear chemistry, it is branch of science which deals with composition of nucleus, composition of atomic nucleus, and nuclear transformation. Is known as nuclear chemistry. While radioactivity, it is a phenomenon in which unstable nucleus continuously emits alpha, beta or gamma rays till it is converted into stable nucleus. Radioactivity अशी प्रोसेस, अशी फिनॉमिनॉन का ज्यामध्ये अनस्टेबल न्यूक्लियस हे कंटिन्युअसली अल्फा, बीटा, गॅमा किंवा यापैकी अल्फा, बीटा किंवा फक्त अल्फा, फक्त गॅमा किंवा अल्फा, बीटा, गॅमा म्हणजे सायमल्टेनियसली असे रेडिएशन्स म्हणजे रेज, पार्टिकल्स, त्याला पार्टिकल्स असंही म्हटलं जातं, इमिट्स करतात, बाहेर टाकतात कुठपर्यंत, जोपर्यंत त्यांचं रूपांतर स्टेबल न्यूक्लियसमध्ये होत नाही, त्याला रेडिओ असं म्हटलं जातं. अँड दिस सबस्टन्स आर द एलिमेंट विच इमिट्स such a particles known as radioactive element. It is a phenomenon in which unstable nucleus emits radiations, that is alpha, beta, gamma rays, alpha, beta and gamma rays continuously and spontaneously. This word is so important, continuously and spontaneously, till it is converted into stable nucleus, known as radioactivity. And the element which emits such a radiations known as radioactive element. That is nuclear chemistry and radioactivity. Radioactivity, it is a phenomenon in which unstable nucleus emits radiations, that is alpha, beta, gamma rays continuously and spontaneously till it is converted into stable nucleus, and such substances or elements are known as radioactive elements. nucleus. Nucleus of the atom contains protons and neutrons, while electrons are revolved around the nucleus. Therefore, the particles, those are situated in the nucleus, known as nucleons. Known as nucleons. That is, protons and neutrons are known as nucleons. Hydrogen having only one proton and only one electron. Therefore, in its nucleus, only proton is situated. There is no neutron. According to number of protons and neutrons, nucleus are classified into different types. That is, isotopes, isobars, isotones, then nuclear isobars. Nuclear isomers. Isotopes. These are elements, these are atoms of same elements having same atomic number but different mass number. Atoms of same element having same atomic number but with different mass number. Having same atomic number but different mass number. You all know the examples: hydrogen, that is protonium, deuterium and tritium. Hydrogen 11, hydrogen 12, hydrogen 13. Oxygen having isotopes 816, oxygen 817, oxygen 818. Sodium 1122, 1123 and 1124. Chlorine 1735 and chlorine 1737. These are some examples of isotopes. Due to same atomic number, they having same chemical properties, but physical properties are different. Then isobars. These isotopes are formed due to different neutron number. They having same proton number but different neutron number, different number of neutrons. आता इथं प्रोटॉन जो झेड असतो, जे ॲटॉमिक नंबर, झेड म्हणजेच काय, नंबर ऑफ प्रोटॉन्स आर नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, बोथ आर इक्वल. जेवढे प्रोटॉन्स आहे म्हणजे पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज असलेले पार्टिकल्स तेवढेच निगेटिव्ह चार्ज असलेले पार्टिकल्स, म्हणून ॲटम कसा आहे तर न्यूट्रल आहे. मग इथून जर आपण हे 35 मधून 17 आपण मायनस केले तर काय होईल 16 न्यूट्रॉन, आणि इथं जर 17 मायनस केले तर इथं काय येईल 20 न्यूट्रॉन, म्हणजे न्यूट्रॉन नंबर इथं डिफरंट आहे. देन isobars, atoms of different elements having different atomic number but same mass number. Atoms of different element having different atomic number, but same mass number.